Hi, my name is Leyuna Lightwind, and today I'm going to teach you how to take a mesh that does not have an armature and is not T-posed and rig it to a VRChat base. Both products, the top and the base, are linked in the description. Be sure to go check out the creators and show them some love because they deserve it. Step 1. Duplicate the body. Up in the outliner, we're going to click armature, shift-click body to highlight both. Hovering over the viewport, you're going to shift D to duplicate, right-click to drop, shift-click armature and body again to hide the original, press H, that will hide it. Then we're going to go to the duplicated body. Armature 0.001 should be renamed to dupe arma, and body 0.001 will be dupe body. From here, make sure that the top or whatever mesh you're using is positioned fairly close to how it needs to be on the body so that we make sure the arms are positioned about where they need to be. Click on your armature for the duplicated body. You can make the bones transparent or keep them opaque if you want to by clicking on the X-ray button. It's the double squares at the top up here. For the sake of the video, I prefer my bones to be transparent. You're going to go down to the green data tab that has the green stick figure that looks like he's running and waving. Open the viewport display dropdown and click in front. That will make it so you can see all of the bones. Go into pose mode, click on an arm. Make sure that the symmetry button is enabled. It's the little butterfly icon. Click the X. Again, make sure the arm is selected. R to rotate. Y for the Y axis, and we're going to rotate this downward until it's about where it needs to be. Perfect. I went ahead and sculpted the mesh to fit the body. I used the elastic grab tool and I used the X symmetry button as I did with the rotating of the arms. Same thing, just in sculpt mode. Then from here, we're going to hide the top again. You're going to click on the duplicated body and you're going to duplicate the armature modifier. We're going to move the duplicated armature modifier to the top, and we're going to try to apply it. But as you can see, it says modifier cannot be applied to a mesh with shape keys. This is why we duplicated the body. We don't want our original body to lose its shape keys. So we duplicated the body so that we could delete all the shape keys off of the duplicated body. Now, as you can see, I have a blend shape enabled to 1. It's the thick modifier one. In order to keep this, because this is going to be my default shape, I'm going to go ahead and apply this selected shape key to my basis. And then I'm going to delete all the shape keys off of this body. Now, if we go back to the modifier tab and go to apply that duplicated armature modifier, see how it's gone? Now it's applied. Next, you're going to go back to the armature that's duplicated, go to pose mode, press A to select all, pose, apply as rest pose. Now, because this is positioned correctly and there's no shape keys, everything is correct on it as of now, we can re-enable the top. Again, still looks good. We're going to go out of pose mode, click on the mesh. We're going to go to edit, data transfer. That's add modifier, edit, data transfer. We're setting the source as the dupe body. Data transfer is normal. Nearest face interpolated is what I usually get told to go with. I don't know why. It's just a thing. Generate data layers. Everything is still posed in the correct positions, so that means we're good. We're going to apply. Next, we're going to do add modifier, deform, armature. And we're going to set the source as the duplicated armature. And because I won't do the green, you do the orange that says armature 0.001. So now our duplicated armature will move the mesh. Now that everything is data transferred and the armature moves the mesh along with the body, you're going to delete the body mesh only. You want to keep the armature and the new mesh. Re-enable your original body and armature. And you're also going to want to make sure that your new mesh is parented to the duplicated armature. So if it's not, you should see a dotted line. If you don't have a dotted line, you're going to grab your mesh, hold shift, and drop it on the correct armature. This is just to make sure that there isn't any hiccups along the way. Hit A, Object, Apply all transforms. That way everything will merge appropriately. Then you're going to pose your duplicated armature. I like to go into orthographic view by clicking on the -Y button up here. RY, get it as close as we can. Say it's about there. Awesome. Then we're going to go back to object mode, sculpt the mesh again to fix anything that might be a little wonky. It's not perfect, but it'll get the job done. Then go to the armature modifier on the mesh, duplicate, drag it to the top, apply, go to the duplicated armature again, pose mode, A, pose, apply as rest pose. And then you'll go to Cats. There is an unofficial Cats Blender plugin for the latest versions of Blender. You're going to go under Custom Model Creation. You want Merge All Bones checked and nothing else. Then you're going to want to make sure that your armature, your base armature, is first and your dupe armature is on the slot with the arrow going up. Then you're going to merge your armatures. And now, as you can see, the top and the body are under the same armature. So if we go back to the data tab on the base armature to bring it back in front and we go to pose mode, you'll see that it moves just as it is supposed to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, this is my first tutorial, so feel free to leave some feedback for me in the comments. Please be kind. And also, you should definitely come and check out my FaeHaven store or even my website, and you can see all the cool stuff that I do. We have a Discord server. It's called FaeHaven, and I have a model creation section within that server where you can come and share your works in progress and hang out with people while you work and find other helpful tips and tricks. So thank you so much again, and remember, no matter where you are or how far away you may be, may the wind always guide you home to me, because I will be here waiting with open arms. I love you all so much. Don't forget to eat, take your meds, drink some water, get some rest, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!